So today we will try to understand that how polarization kills democracy. Yeah, the same democracy which we aspire for, which we live. We know that the democracy starts with the first page of the constitution, that is the preamble of the constitution. And the preamble says that we the people, which means that nation is of us, not we are of the nation. Nation without us is nothing. This much of importance has been given to the citizens of a democratic country. Now, then it becomes a responsibility of the same citizen to protect that democracy. But what if certain instrument of politics hell bent on dismantling all the institutions of democracy? One of those which we are going to discuss in 2 minutes, that is polarization. Let's begin first with a crude definition of polarization. India is governed by politicians, which means people like us. It's also true that people like us have their different ideas, ideologies. So we can say that division of people's organization or community based on opinions and ideologies. So polarization simply means that division of people, division of political parties. And why these divisions are formed? Because people, organizations have the different ideologies. But what if that one ideology tries to tag other ideology as anti-national? And it does this campaign to that extent where it works on how to make people feel that the other community holding this ideology is wholly anti-national. You know what happens? Then it begins the deterioration of democracy, institutions of democracy. I tell you how. What happens when we tag one community or identify one community or party or organization as anti-national? Then we accept and we implicitly say to people that we can compromise with the democratic institutions such as judiciary, such as legislation, executive, media, but we cannot tolerate the opposite ideology because that ideology is anti-national. So in the same line, over the time, what we find that the ideology that suits us, we give that community or a party a fully fledged power to even misuse these institutions such as judiciary or even legislation or executive or media just to suppress the other ideology which is anti-national in our opinion. And the time comes when the entire institutions, the pillars of the democracies, are completely collapsed, destroyed. So this is very clear message that polarization has this potential to dismantle the entire framework or the system on which this democracy operates. I would suggest you